friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some most important question for BSc Nursing Paramedical CVET NEET and all other entrance exam from chapter Strategy for Enhancement in Food Production. This is 9th part of our series. Let's start the question. Question number 1. By which method was a new breed Sarde of sheep found by using Bicaneri, Evis and Merino rams? Option A mutation breeding, option B crossbreeding, option C inbreeding, option D outbreeding. The correct answer is option B crossbreeding. Question number 2. Homozygous pure lines in cattle can be obtained by option A mating of related individual of same breed, option B mating of unrelated individual of same breed, mating of individual of different breed, mating of individual of different species. The correct answer is option A mating of related individuals of same breed. Question number 3. MOET technique is used for super evolution in A elephantids, option B fish, option C cattle, option D chickens. The correct answer is option C Moët technique is used for evolution in cattle. Question number 4. Among the following edible fishes, which one is marine fish having a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid? Option A Myrigala, option B mackerel, option C Maestrus, option D Mangur. The correct answer is option B mackerel. Question number 5. A system of rotating crops with legume or glass posture to improve soil structure and fertility is called option A lay farming, option B contour farming, option C strip farming, option D shifting agriculture. The correct answer is option A lay farming. Question number 6. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplast? Option A IAA and kinetin, option B IAA and gibberellins, option C sodium chloride and potassium chloride, option D polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. The correct answer is polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. Question number 7. A technique of micropropagation is option A protoplast fusion, option B embryo rescue, option C somatic hybridization, option D somatic embryogenesis. The correct answer is option D somatic embryogenesis. Question number 8. A protoplast is a cell with option A without nucleus, option B undergoing division, option C without cell wall, option D without plasma membrane. The correct answer is option C without cell wall. Question number 9. Outbreeding is an important strategy of animal husbandry because it option A is it useful in producing pure lines of animals, is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression, option C exposes harmful recessive genes that are eliminated by selection, option D helps in accumulation of superior genes. The correct answer is option B is useful in overcoming inbreeding depression. Question number 10. To obtain virus-free healthy plants from a disease one by tissue culture technique, which part of disease plant will be taken? Option A epidermis only, option B apical meristem only, option C palisade parenchyma, option D both apical and axillary meristem. The correct answer is option D both apical and axillary meristem. Question number 11. Green Revolution in India occurred during option A 1960s, 1970s, option C 90s, 80s, option D 1950s. The correct answer is option A 1960s. Question number 12. Jaya and Ratna developed for Green Revolution in India. Option A Bajra, B maize, C rice, D wheat. The correct answer is option C Jaya and maize or rice. Question number 13. Hemgrid developed by hybridization and selection for disease resistant against rust pathogen is a variety of option A wheat, B chili, C maize, D sugarcane. Correct answer is option A wheat. Question 14. Which of the following show maximum genetic diversity in India? Option A mango, option B groundnut, option C rice, option D maize. The correct answer is option C rice. So maximum diversity. Question number 15. A collection of plants and seeds having diverse alleles of all the genes of crops is called option A genome, option B herbarium, option C germplasm, option C D gene library. The correct answer is option C germplasm. Question number 16. Most common species of honeybees A. Option A Apis indica, option B Apis dorsata, option C Apis mellifera, option D Apis florea. The correct answer is option A Apis indica. Question number 17. What approaches have to be applied to achieve improvement in quality and productivity of animals? Option A conventional practices, option B artificial insemination, option C MOET, option D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 18. In which of the animal breeding males and females of different species are mated? Option A crossbreeding, option B outbreeding, option C outcrossing, option D intraspecific hybridization. The correct answer is option D interspecific hybridization. Question number 19. What livestock population present in India and China is about A 25%, B 70%, C 50%, D 75%. The correct answer is option B 70%. Question number 20. Blue revolution is related with A pisciculture, option B agriculture, option C horticulture, option D silviculture. The correct answer is option A pisciculture. Question number 21. Plants can be made disease resistant through option A colchicine, option B X-ray treatment, option C breeding with wild relatives, option C hormone treatment. The correct answer is option C breeding with wild relatives. Question number 22. International Rice Research Institute IRRI is situated at option A Lucknow, option B New Delhi, option C Kolkata, option D Coimbatore. The correct answer is option B New Delhi. Question number 23. Atlas 66 is a high protein content variety of option A rice, option B sugarcane, option C wheat, option D maize. The correct answer is option C wheat. Question number 24. In mung bean resistant to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were induced by option A biofortification, option B hybrid breeding, option C mutation breeding, option D conventional breeding. The correct answer is option C mutational breeding. Question number 25. Which of the alternate sources of protein for animals and human nutrition is? Option A Bacillus thuringiensis, option B Aspergillus, option C Saccharomyces cerevisiae, option D Methylophilus methylotropus. The correct answer is option D Methylophilus methylotropus. Question number 26. In tissue culture technique which is used for commercial scale production of carbon? Option A glucose, B CO2, option C maltose, option D sucrose. The correct answer is option D sucrose. Question number 27. Sonalika and Kalyan Sona are variety of option A wheat, option B rice, option C millet, option D tobacco. The correct answer is option A wheat. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a fungal disease? A rust and wheat, B smut and brazra, option C black root of cruciferous. Sorry. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a fungal disease? Option A, rust and wheat. Option B, smut of bajra. Option C, black rot of crucifers. Option D, red rot of sugarcane. The correct answer is option C, black rot of crucifers. 29. The scientific process by which crop plants are enriched with certain desirable nutrient is called A, crop protection, B, breeding, C, biofortification, D, bioremediation. The correct answer is option C, biofortification. Question number 30. The term totipotency refers to the capacity option A, cell to generate whole plant, B, bud to generate whole plant, C, seed to germinate, D, cell to enlarge in size. The correct answer is option A, cell to generate whole plants. Thank you and please subscribe my channel for further videos.